Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart Nothing Phone 4a. Alright, we have two methods how we can restart our phone, and of course I'll show you both methods. Let's begin with a simple reboot. That's the easiest and also the recommended method. To perform it, we need to click the power key and volume up because we need to launch the power menu. And now if you tap on the restart, your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again and our phone will be ready to use. When it comes to the second method, it's called the forced restart, and it's recommended, for example, when our whole device is lagged, frozen, the screen is unresponsive. That's the moment when you can perform the forced restart. Again, we need to use the power key and volume up, but this time we need to keep holding both keys until the screen turns off. So hold power and volume up. Now we need to keep holding. Okay. When the phone vibrates, you can release both buttons. As you take a look, the Nothing logo has appeared on the screen, and now we just need to wait until we see the home screen, and our phone will be ready to use. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.